Welcome back to our channel. In this video we are looking the top 10 cryptocurrency to invest in 2023. The key is to buy the asset at the right time while taking into account the risk. The cryptocurrency market contains hundreds of tokens, with new projects appearing on a daily basis. This makes determining the top cryptocurrencies that will become the next big thing difficult. To help with these investments, we've compiled a list of the best cheap cryptocurrencies with potential in 2023. Be warned, investors should conduct their own research before committing any capital and only invest what they are willing to lose. Before we get started, make sure to like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Number 1. D2T Token. Toprate is a new project that is still in its early stages. However, it has already piqued the interest of investors. It currently has a population of about 70,000 people. Toprate's main goal is to simplify the trading process. To accomplish this, the platform provides access to a variety of tools. Users, for example, will be able to track social sentiment regarding new tokens. They will be able to identify promising cryptocurrencies more easily this way. Users will also be able to track the start of pre-sales and the listing of selected coins on exchanges on the project's website. Users can subscribe to the platform using the platform's own D2T token. Investors will be able to purchase the token at the lowest possible price. The second pre-sale phase will begin on January 31st, or after the first allocated volume of tokens has been sold out. The token's price will rise slightly at this point. Investors can buy the token in three ways: with ETH, with USDT, or with a bank card, with an initial exchange to USDT ETH. Number 2. IMPT Token. The IMPT token is an environmental token that aims to revolutionize the carbon credit market. There are currently serious issues in this area. Because the market is poorly regulated, fraud is common. The IMPT project is built on a blockchain, which ensures that all transactions are transparent. Each carbon credit will be tokenized and converted to NFT, eliminating reuse. As a reward for burning a unit of carbon credit, the user will receive a one-of-a-kind eco-themed NFT. The IMPT token will be the project's focal point. Users will be able to collect it in order to make purchases from environmentally responsible brands. Over 10,000 well-known companies have already agreed to collaborate with the project. At the moment, the cryptocurrency can be purchased for as little as $0.018 per token. The creators intend to list the token on exchanges after the pre-sale period concludes. Number 3. RIA Token. Calvaria is a new cryptocurrency card game that is currently available for pre-order. Developers are hard at work on the project, introducing and implementing new elements to the classic card game. As with all play-to-earn games, players can either win or buy in-game assets in the form of NFTs. Pre-orders for RIA are now available. The creators intend to issue 300 million tokens, or 30% of the total supply, at this time. Players will be able to trade and sell in-game assets, potentially allowing them to capitalize on the product quickly. Number 4. Tamadoge. Although the Tamadoge token is a meme coin, it serves a purpose. In the cryptocurrency game, coin holders will be able to earn tokens and spend them to purchase various items. The digital currency will be integrated into the ecosystem as a whole. The creators intend to launch a cryptocurrency game in the near future in which users can raise a virtual pet. When it matures, players will be able to compete in an arena for tokens for each victory. At the first stage of the pre-sale, the project has already piqued the interest of investors. Investments have totaled $19 million since then. The token's price increased with each stage of the pre-sale. Another significant increase in value occurred following the start of its first listings on centralized and decentralized stock exchanges. The project also intends to build its own metaverse, complete with 3D representations of each NFT pet. Number 5. UNI Token. UNI is one of the best cryptocurrencies for investors to be aware of right now. It is a pioneer in the field of decentralized finance, or DeFi. Decentralized exchanges, DEX connect buyers and sellers so they can conduct direct trades. Developers have been making changes all the time in order to improve usability and accelerate adoption in the cryptocurrency market. Number 6. Comp Token. The Comp Token is another digital currency that investors should be aware of. It is also a market leader among cryptocurrency platforms in the rapidly expanding DeFi market. Compound Vault, which is only available to financial institutions, was recently added to Compound. These institutions will be able to earn up to 4% interest in USD once they join. The implementation of this technology will increase the liquidity of the Comp coin. The Compound project is now well on its way to becoming the world's first crypto bank. Aave is a direct competitor because it is a popular lending platform that provides excellent products for digital currency holders. Number 7. ApeCoin. ApeCoin is another cryptocurrency to keep an eye on this year. It has the potential to explode on the market as early as 2023. ApeCoin, which was launched in March 2022, is the newest cryptocurrency on our list of the best crypto coins to invest in right now. One of the reasons we feature it here is because of its toughness. ApeCoin, which was launched in the midst of a contracting crypto market, had an incredible performance, reaching an all-time high of $39. Much of this is due to its close relationship with two of the most popular NFT projects, BAYC and MAYC. Not to mention the oversubscription to the coin and NFTs by celebrities and crypto influencers willing to go to any length to keep the ApeCoin trending and its price rising. Number 8. XRP. Supporters believe that the XRP token's value will rise several times in the near future. The temporary exchange rate stagnation is largely due to the SEC's ongoing lawsuit against Ripple. Following its conclusion, XRP's value could start to grow vigorously. Ripple is a global platform that makes money transfers easier. The project's primary users are currently large financial institutions. Its primary goal is to gain access to the banking system and expand the availability of blockchain-based cash payment technologies. Another significant feature of the XRP coin is that it has long been one of the most valuable tokens in terms of market capitalization. Number 9. Cardano, ADA. Cardano is widely regarded as the most secure blockchain technology available today. It was also the largest smart contract platform using the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism prior to the ETH merger. Cardano, which was launched in 2017, has also demonstrated its resilience by surviving several devastating crypto market crashes and contractions while maintaining an overall positive ROI. However, we believe it is one of the best crypto coins to invest in right now because it is vastly undervalued. Despite having a positive ROI and ranking among the top 10 cryptocurrencies, ADA token prices are significantly underpriced. We attribute this undervaluation to Cardano's slow process of integrating emerging crypto technologies into its ecosystem, which makes the cryptocurrency less dynamic. Number 10. ETH. ETH is more expensive than the other coins on the list. It is, however, one of the top 10 projects to invest in early in 2023. Ethereum is a global decentralized network that was first introduced in 2015. The platform coin quickly gained traction and now ranks second in terms of market capitalization, trailing only Bitcoin. The platform's most recent advancement was the switch to Ethereum 2.0. The project has become more environmentally friendly as a result of this upgrade. The switch to a proof-of-stake system resulted in a 99% reduction in energy consumption. Ethereum's price remains far behind that of Bitcoin. It took a significant hit during the bear market. Investors anticipate a strong upward move when the market begins to recover. Thank you for watching.